Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check trending videos on TikTok. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. TikTok trends are basically popular themes or challenges that are viral on the platform. They could be anything from ingenious dance move to funny memes. TikTok trends are a big deal because of the dominance of over a billion active users on the platform. So, how to find trending videos, trending TikTok on your TikTok? So simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our TikTok. Now you can just go to your search bar. You can search. You can see the popular searches here. Here's the trending news or videos on TikTok. And you can also search on your search bar like this. Trending videos. You can go to the videos here. So here's all the trending videos like challenge and others on your TikTok. So that is how to find trending videos on TikTok. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.